Here I have TCL 405, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to connections, and then to hotspot and tethering. Here you can find mobile hotspot, here you can enable it. Here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. Here you can change its name. Here you can change its security protocol. Here you can change its password. In advanced, you can also set up maximum amount of connections. You can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected. You can also set up timeout. Okay, 90 seconds could be. You can change its AP band. And you can see connected users here. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.